Less than tittle greater than BTCTRY. Nearing resistance. Can it break out to new highs? Less than tittle greater than 60-minute candlestick chart. Moving averages. Volume analysis. The current price of BTCTRY is $3,749,971. Trading above key moving averages. The 20-day moving average, short-term, currently aligns at $3,620,185, while the 50-day moving average sits at $3,538,381. The 100-day moving average is slightly lower at $3,464,224, providing strong dynamic support levels. Notably, BTCTRY has shown consistent upward momentum as it remains above these moving averages, signaling a bullish trend. Trading volume remains low at 0.02953, but this minor activity hasn't hindered the price rise, as BTCTRY continues to edge closer to its upper Fibonacci resistance at $3,761,500. The recent surge to $3,750,364 has occurred with minimal volume growth, suggesting caution for investors. However, if a volume spike coincides with breaking the $3,761,500 mark, BTCTRY could initiate another significant upward move. Relative Strength Index, RSI, analysis. The current RSI for BTCTRY is 62.20. Nearing overbought territory but not crossing the 70 mark yet. Historically, BTCTRY has tended to reverse or slow momentum when RSI hovers between 65 to 70. For example, earlier instances in November showed price corrections when RSI exceeded these levels, leading to short-term pullbacks of 2 to 4%. However, RSI's current positioning reflects solid buying pressure. If BTCTRY manages to break through resistance, RSI could push into overbought levels, indicating stronger upward momentum in the short term. Traders should closely monitor RSI as it approaches these critical levels. Stochastic Oscillator analysis. The stochastic oscillator is currently at 73.71, signaling that BTCTRY is approaching overbought conditions. Historically, BTCTRY has shown minor corrections when the stochastic value crosses 80. As seen during the early December price surge, where a pullback followed a peak in stochastic readings. If the oscillator continues upward into overbought territory, traders may anticipate a potential short-term pause in momentum. However, a sustained stochastic above 80 could indicate that BTCTRY is gaining strength, with the possibility of breaking through its Fibonacci resistance at $3,761,500. MACD and signal line analysis. The current MACD value for BTCTRY is 18,468, while the signal line stands slightly higher at 20,094, indicating a bearish crossover. Historically, a bearish MACD crossover has led to minor pullbacks, particularly when BTCTRY trades near resistance zones. The histogram reflects a narrowing gap between the MACD and the signal line, suggesting that downward momentum might be slowing. If the MACD value rises above the signal line, it could indicate a bullish shift, supporting a move above $3,761,500. Investors should wait for confirmation before acting. Bollinger Bands analysis. BTCTRY's current price of $3,749,971 is near the upper Bollinger Band at $3,770,676. Historically, touching or exceeding the upper band has led to slight price consolidations. The lower band sits at $3,698,748, indicating a well-defined range of volatility. If BTCTRY breaks above the upper band, it could signal increased buying pressure and a potential continuation of the bullish trend. Traders should monitor price action closely, as failure to sustain above the upper band could lead to a pullback toward the middle Bollinger line. Fibonacci retracement analysis. BTCTRY's price of $3,749,971 is currently testing the 0.0% Fibonacci retracement level at $3,761,500. If the price breaks above this critical resistance, it could confirm a bullish continuation toward new highs. The nearest key support lies at the 23.6% level at $3,621,185, while deeper support at the 38.2% retracement level of $3,534,381 offers strong downside protection. Past price action indicates that a rejection at the 0.0% level often results in retracement toward the 23.6% level. Investors should watch for price consolidation or a breakout in the coming sessions. Daily candlestick chart and volume, 1-year analysis. Over the past year, BTCTRY has experienced consistent upward momentum, with major lows in June at $3,166,948 and highs approaching the $3,750,364 mark. Trading volume remains steady, though a notable volume surge accompanied price increases during key breakouts. Average trading volume has remained stable, indicating continued market interest. As BTCTRY approaches its yearly peak, investors should monitor for volume spikes, which could confirm a sustained breakout or signal an exhaustion point. Candlestick chart and volume, 3-year analysis. From a long-term perspective,